In this section, we review mobile or portable HMIs and explore their features and applications. Portable HMI panels are handheld devices used to control industrial systems. They differ from fixed HMIs by allowing operators to move around during operation. These units are designed for durability in challenging environments such as production floors or robotic areas. They support tasks requiring mobility, like manual adjustments or process monitoring. This flexibility aids in managing dynamic workflows effectively. Let's review the key features of this type of panels. Portable HMI panels feature touchscreen displays, typically from 4 to 10 inches. They are typically equipped with safety mechanisms such as deadman switches, which requires constant pressure to operate, and some have integrated e-stop push buttons. Wired models use plug-in stations to activate and adapt the screens to specific zones. This means the screens automatically switches when you move between zones. Depending on the design, there might be multiple plug-in stations around the machine or production line. Wireless versions are more flexible and offer a wider portability. However, they need access points for reliable coverage across an area. Overall, portable HMI panels deliver performance comparable to fixed HMIs, but at a higher cost. These features ensure control and safety in mobile operations. Now let's look at some typical applications of mobile panels. In robotics, portable HMIs enable manual control and calibration of robot arms. For production machines, they allow adjustments along assembly lines during operation. Safety features like deadman switches and e-stops maintain precision and protect operators. This setup improves efficiency by reducing downtime and enhancing oversight. Wired systems require plug-in stations, while wireless need an access point for functionality. With a higher investment, manufacturers enjoy advanced capabilities over fixed units.